All right.
So this one passed now, and now we want to look at next one.
Yes.
We're going to call numbers count events.
Mm.
And we have a flux from iterable in stream range closed.
So that gives numbers from 0 to 10.
Okay.
So we get a list of from 0 to 10.
And then we expect an case status in JSON, and we expect it to be 6 events, 6 even numbers in this.
Yeah.
Okay. And do we have, so we don't have the right path here either. So should I start with adding that?
Yeah.
And then I guess I'll run it once just to see how it fails.
Yes.
And what are we guessing? We're guessing we're not getting anything back. We wouldn't get a 404 because I fixed that stuff. But we're probably not be able to parse it as long that we get back, right?
I guess we don't
bad request.
do anything. We just return an empty, right?
Yeah, but we actually had a problem even with the request. It's a bad request because we pass a body, but we probably don't. Oh, we have a body here, but that's just an int.
Maybe it should be a flux integer.
Right. So then we should.
I think we need to change the test as well then.
Here we pass a flux of integers.
Okay, maybe that's okay then.
Yeah.
What does
the integer.class there is specifying the type that is inside the flux.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, it's basically for that. So.
Yeah, nice. And that should be fine. Then we want to.
Yeah. So now we got into the method, but we returned an empty, just like you said before. So this one returns null, and then we fail here.
Yeah.
So now we have to actually do some work.
Yeah.
All right. So I guess we can make the test pass by just doing this. But
L in that case.
What?
You could just do 6L.
Yeah, it's a long.
It's a long.
Okay. just to see if it. I guess it's.
Go with that.
But we can do it proper implementation.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, I guess we want to count all the even numbers. I guess we can do it all in.
Should be possible.
All in the return.
Exactly. So how should we?
If we just replace the 6L with the numbers.
Okay.
And
Then
Just
filter.
outside the parentheses, right?
Will we get the mono back, you mean?
I thought you initialized the mono and then did method calls on the mono.
Don't we wanna? Okay, so.
But maybe we
have
can
a flux,
do
so
that.
can't we
Yeah,
do
exactly.
It, right? So
yeah,
maybe
we should be
can
able to do
something
it.
like, and it's integers here. Integer. Is there something it's even? No.
Maybe.
What do we have? Float. Yeah. Should we? Or should we do it like E?
Yeah. Mod.
And then E2 equals 0. Is that?
Yeah. Should do it.
And now it's not done. Okay. So we have that, and then count maybe. And does that return? That returns a mono. Okay.
All right. Try it.
So let's try. Nice.
Yeah, that's it.